Have you ever thought that ancient civilizations might have been far more advanced than we imagined? Technologies, techniques, and inventions from thousands of years ago still baffle modern scientists. Here on Sam Official Tech, we're about to take you on a journey back in time to uncover the lost secrets of ancient innovations that could reshape how we view history. Let's dive deep and rediscover these incredible ancient technologies. Uncovered in Iraq, the Baghdad battery is a ceramic jar that may hold the secret to an ancient form of electricity. Have been used for electroplating jewelry or religious items. We'll explore the battery's design, the acidic solution that could have powered it, and theories around its potential uses, including for ritualistic or healing purposes. Was this a one-off discovery or part of a larger, forgotten technology? Roman concrete is renowned for lasting millennia, unlike our modern counterparts. What was in their mixture that we're missing? This segment delves into the ingredients, like volcanic ash and seawater, and examines how the Romans' technique of submerging concrete in water helped create structures that heal themselves. Today, scientists are trying to reverse engineer this ancient concrete to use it in coastal cities. Imagine if we could build something that lasts forever. Invented by the Greek mathematician Archimedes, this screw-like device allowed civilizations to lift water efficiently. This section goes into the simplicity and brilliance of the design, explaining how it was not only used for agriculture but also mining and irrigation. With animations, we'll visualize its structure, showing how this ancient tool is still relevant today in flood control and environmental projects. Damascus steel, famous for its strength and resilience, was once used to make swords with intricate wave-like patterns. How did ancient blacksmiths achieve this metallurgical marvel? We'll explore the forging process, the types of ores used, and the carbon nanotubes theory that has left metallurgists worldwide in awe. Lost during the Crusades, this technique is now inspiring modern weapon makers to reimagine the art of ancient steel. These enormous geoglyphs in Peru stretch over 800 miles, depicting animals, plants, and geometric shapes that can only be seen from the sky. How were they created with such accuracy, and what was their purpose? This part dives into theories from ancient astronomy to spiritual pathways, examining how ancient civilizations could have created aerial views without flying, and whether the lines hold astronomical significance. Recovered from a shipwreck off the Greek coast, this ancient device is thought to be an early mechanical computer. Its gears and dials are so intricate that they could predict astronomical positions. We'll break down the components, showing how it was used to predict solar eclipses and track planetary movements, a remarkable feat that wouldn't be matched until centuries later. Standing tall in Delhi, this iron pillar has withstood rust and corrosion for over 1,600 years. What secrets of metallurgy were the ancient Indians privy to? We'll explore the pillar's unique composition of phosphorus and its non-corrosive properties, discussing how it symbolizes a mastery of metal that even modern scientists struggle to replicate. Egyptian surgical instruments, precursors to modern medicine. Ancient Egyptians had a sophisticated understanding of surgery, as evidenced by artifacts resembling scalpels, clamps, and saws. investigate how they conducted delicate surgeries and used honey as an antiseptic, which was likely more advanced than other ancient cultures. Hieroglyphs also reveal the tools and treatments used, pioneering practices that set the groundwork for modern surgical procedures. The Phoenicians created one of the first true alphabets, revolutionizing written language. But this alphabet was more than just letters, it was a tool that connected nations. We'll look at how this alphabet simplified writing, making it possible for merchants, traders, and everyday people to communicate effectively, influencing languages across Europe and Asia. The Incas developed the quipu, a system of knotted strings that recorded data in a way we're still trying to fully decode. Could these knots represent census data, tax records, or even stories? We'll explore the mathematical and structural intricacies of this non-written record-keeping system and how it allowed the Incas to build an empire without a traditional script. Romans perfected the art of aqueducts, creating a network that carried water across mountains and valleys to supply their cities. In this section, we'll explain the physics of aqueducts, from the gradients that maintained water flow to the materials that made them durable. This remarkable engineering allowed cities to thrive in places once deemed uninhabitable. The south-pointing chariot was an ancient Chinese invention that maintained a fixed direction using differential gears. We'll uncover how it worked, making it possible to navigate vast landscapes before magnetic compasses. This section reveals how it was essential for military strategy, mapping, and trade, centuries before the compass became widely used. The Maya had a calendar so accurate that it rivaled modern ones, predicting lunar and solar cycles with astonishing precision. This part uncovers how the Maya calculated time using mathematical and astronomical observations, explaining why their calendar played a central role in their culture and how it informed their agriculture, religious practices, and festivals. Greek fire was a mysterious incendiary weapon that could ignite on water, giving the Byzantines a powerful advantage in naval warfare. We'll explore how it was deployed and the theories behind its combustible formula. This segment goes into its terrifying reputation, strategic uses, and why the secret of Greek fire vanished with the fall of Constantinople. This section goes into the simplicity and brilliance of the design, explaining how it was not only used for agriculture but also mining and irrigation. With animations, we'll visualize its structure, showing how this ancient tool is still relevant today in flood control and environmental projects. Damascus steel, famous for its strength and resilience, was once used to make swords with intricate wave-like patterns. Roman concrete is renowned for lasting millennia, unlike our modern counterparts. What was in their mixture that we're missing? This segment delves into the ingredients, like volcanic ash and seawater, and examines how the Romans' technique of submerging concrete in water helped create structures that heal themselves. Today, scientists are trying to reverse engineer this ancient concrete to use it in coastal cities. Imagine if we could build something that lasts forever. Invented by the Greek mathematician Archimedes, this screw-like device allowed civilizations to lift water efficiently. civilization, Mesoamerican cultures had mastered rubber making. We'll delve into how they combined latex and other ingredients to make durable, flexible materials used for ceremonial games, waterproof items, and even footwear. This process shows the inventive spirit of ancient chemists and why their understanding of rubber remains impressive to this day. Artifacts from the Olmec civilization suggest they may have understood magnetism centuries before other cultures. This segment explores the magnetic stones believed to be used as primitive compasses, potentially helping them with navigation or spiritual practices, indicating the Olmec's knowledge of geomagnetism. According to Norse sagas, Vikings used a sunstone to navigate on cloudy days. We'll explore how Icelandic spar, a crystal that polarizes light, could reveal the sun's direction even in overcast skies. This ancient method allowed Vikings to reach new lands across vast oceans, highlighting their advanced understanding of navigation long before compasses. Thanks for watching. As we've seen, these ancient technologies were more than just inventions, they were breakthroughs that helped shape civilization. Imagine the possibilities if we could rediscover and understand these secrets today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sam Official Tech for more explorations into history's hidden innovations. Leave a comment below on which ancient technology you found the most fascinating.